Understanding pumpkin puree. Hello everyone, and welcome to today's English language learning video. In this session, we'll be exploring the phrase, pumpkin puree. It's a common term in cooking and recipes, especially around certain holidays. Let's dive in to understand what it means and how it's used in English. Firstly, let's clarify what a pumpkin is. A pumpkin is a large, round, orange vegetable that belongs to the squash family. It's often associated with autumn and is a staple in many cultures' cuisines. Pumpkins are notable for their thick shell, which contains seeds and pulp. Now, let's understand what puree means. Puree refers to food that has been ground, blended, or mashed to a smooth consistency. It's a culinary technique used to create a thick paste or cream from vegetables, fruits, or legumes. Combining these two concepts, pumpkin puree is essentially pumpkin that has been mashed or blended until smooth. It's commonly used as a base for soups, pies, and other desserts. Pumpkin puree highlights the flavor of the pumpkin in a smooth and easily integrable form. Pumpkin puree is a popular ingredient in many recipes, especially in baking. It's a key component in dishes like pumpkin pie, pumpkin bread, and pumpkin soup. It's valued for its smooth texture and rich, sweet flavor, which enhances a variety of dishes. Thank you for joining me to learn about pumpkin puree. I hope this video has been informative and helps you understand this common culinary term better. Stay tuned for more English language learning content, and happy learning!